mama leave there. I've did it before. I'm just doing it so that you guys can, you know, see how I do use it. Also sunsilk. Then you massage it this way. I need to still add maybe one bundle to this hair because it's looking scanty because of this is my everyday going out. I have 3 hair like that for everyday going out. One is 8 inches. This one, I think this one was 16 inches. Yeah, and the other one is also 8 inches. 2 8 inches plus this 16 inches for everyday going out. So to lock the coils, I'm going to be using this sunsilk. This one will lock the coils for throughout the week. Okay. I have the new one on top of up. I'm going to try so hard to bring the remaining one. No, mama, no. So this one can take the excess water. I just did this tutorial so that anyone out there how to get your coils back or everyday school hair. Okay. You can use tiny comb, but there's nothing using this comb so that you won't have anyone to take out. Okay. So this is how I do mine. And I have this hair for more than I don't know how many years now. So, and it's okay, it's nice. I fix it myself. You can style it anyhow. So these are the products. This one is about to finish. I have another one. I also did the video also. So the video will be coming up. The new one of it. This one is mine. And this is the orange of it, sunsilk. And this one also. This one is for oil. Sorry, it's just oil and water inside, but you can't do it yourself. It's better you buy it. Okay, this one is also sunsilk, and this very oil to make it. You can see the way it's shiny. This oil will make it to shine. Okay, you can go to any supermarket. This very one is sunsilk Chiara Nasty. This one is sunsilk Ricci Definiti per capelli ricci come mio figlio e la mia figlia anch'io, e anche questo di sunsilk e olio con come si chiama, con acqua, glossy spray, and questo per capelli liscia. This one is for straight hair, anything, any kind of hair. This one can go for it, but in case you have coiled hair, use this one for only curly hair, to curl your hair. Once you apply it, you just spray water. Oh, it's Serena, guys, forgive. Okay, you guys already know I need to use Serena, so no need. Okay, the back side, I don't know how the pattern is, you know. Okay guys, it's just a short video of how to style your hair, how to get it back. You spray water on it, then you use all this product. You are ready to go throughout the week. Is okay. I can easily pack it this way. Okay, but I'm not going to pack it because of I'm going out now, so I need it to dry. So this is how I'll be going. And here is the water. Serena just removed my tripod. Here is the water. Okay guys, here's the water, and the water is just ordinary water, warm water. I have warm water. You know, when you are washing your hair or those things, normally the water will just be warm. You know, this winter time. Okay, it's warm, not warm like hot, no, just warm. Sorry guys, it's Serena Leicester. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. We love you, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video. You can show to a queen of how to protect my hair. I put this one this way so that the thing will help me to protect the wet hair. Okay, so this is it. I get it. I'm looking beautiful, isn't it? Bye guys. How to style your hair, short video of how to style your hair. Get all this product, and bye.